Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Let's do our assignment second, Psychology of Learning, week second, assignment second. The first question is, according to constructivism, reality is determined by the experiences of the learner, the blood type of the learner, the future goals of the learner, and none of the above. Let's check the answer. The answer of first question is constructivism is an approach to learning that holds that people actively construct or make their own knowledge and that reality is determined by the experiences of the learner. The first question of answer is A, the experiences of the learner. Now, the second question is teachers and instructors who understand the constructivists learning theory understand that their students dash. The option is A, are all the same, bring their own unique experiences, do not demand much effort in the classroom, and last is are careless. The second question of answer is teachers and instructors who understand the constructivist learning theory understand that their students bring their own unique experiences to the classroom every day. The option of second question is B, bring their own unique experience. Now, the third question is the domain of social constructivism is largely attributed to the work done by Dash by adding the focus on societal and peer influence on learning. The option is Gian Piaget, Lev Vygotsky, Sigmund Freud, and John Watson. The third question of answer is social constructivism focus on the collaborative nature of learning. Knowledge develops from how people interact with each other, their culture, and society at large. Lev Vygotsky and is closely connected to cognitive instructivism with the added element of societal and peer influence. The option of question third is B, Lev Vygotsky. Now the fourth question is, which of the following is not a major type of learning described by behavioral psychology? Classical conditioning, operant conditioning, observational learning, and traditional learning. The fourth question of answer is the three major types of learning described by behavioral psychology are classical conditioning, operant conditioning, and observational learning. The option of fourth question is D, traditional learning. Now, the fifth question is, which of the following is true according to the behaviorism? All behaviors can be unlearned. All behaviors are directed by one's parent. All behaviors are fundamentally destructive in nature. All behaviors are unobservable. The option of fifth question is answer. All behaviors can also be unlearned and replaced by new behavior. The fifth question of answer is A. All behaviors can be unlearned. Now the sixth question, in dash conditioning, presentation of unconditioned stimulus proceeds the presentation of the conditioned stimulus. Backward, delay, trace, simultaneous. The option of sixth question answer is A, backward. Now the seventh question is, smiling and complimenting students for good performance is a type of dash. Negative punishment, negative reinforcement, and positive reinforcement. The option of seventh answer is student work for things that bring them positive feelings and for approval from people they admire. The answer of seventh question is D, positive reinforcement. Now the eighth question is, which of the following psychologists was instrumental in engendering the dramatic shift from behaviorism to cognitive theories? The option is Tolman, Brunner, Gestalt, all of the above. The answer of eighth question is the work of Edward C. Tolman, Jan Piaget, and these are the theories. The answer of these eighth question is D, all of the above. Now the ninth question is, IQ is a typical measurement for dash intelligence, personality, emotions, classical learning. Ninth answer is intelligence is a typically measured as intelligence quotients. The option A is correct. Now the question 10th, BBL deals with the concept of learning in a dash context: neuropsychological, cognitive, social, and behavioral. The last question 10th is BBL deals with the concept of learning in a neurophysiological context. The option of 10th, neuro, physiological. Answer A is correct. Now the submit answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.